What would happen if the sun just vanished for one day? First, it would take about 8 minutes for us to even notice. That's how long sunlight takes to reach Earth. After that, everything would go pitch black. Streetlights and power grids would still work at first. Temperatures would start dropping quickly. Within hours, parts of the planet would hit freezing. Photosynthesis would stop, so plants would begin to die. And without plants, the food chain would start collapsing. Animals would get confused. People would panic. If the sun didn't come back after 24 hours, Earth would begin freezing solid, starting at the poles. And that's just the first day. Follow to find out what would happen if the moon vanished. Next.